Hello friends and welcome on my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about puzzle solving activity. I'll be sharing tips and methods using which you can teach your kids the puzzle solving skill. This activity not only improves their analytical brain but also improves their concentration as well as visual perception and discrimination. So let's begin. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Vidya. I make videos on modern parenting, kid-friendly food and their activities. If you like my channel, then do subscribe to it and also do hit the notification bell. You can also follow our everyday life on Instagram and Facebook @MomIamHome. So let's start. So to begin with, first start with a puzzle with appropriate difficulty level. That is, the difficulty level should be age appropriate. Begin with the puzzles which have less pieces, or the puzzles which are within a board, or puzzles which are very simple like basic fruits or basic shapes. And once the kid is used to solving that, then you can move on to jigsaw puzzles or large floor puzzles. So the basic point is that select the puzzle according to the age of your kid and then gradually transition to higher difficulty level. Next thing is that select or purchase those puzzles in which the theme or the picture is according to your kid's interest. Like you can see, my kid's favorite cartoon character is Peppa Pig, so I purchased a set of Peppa Pig puzzles for him. This actually motivates them to solve the puzzle and also develops their interest. Now, how to solve the puzzle? First, give the puzzle pieces to your kids and ask them to spread it on a surface. Then ask your kid to keep the printed side of all the puzzle pieces upwards, so that they can see what is printed on each puzzle piece. Then show the reference image to your kid. Reference image is the final picture that we get after solving the puzzle. It is usually given inside the puzzle box or printed on the box of the puzzle. So you show it to your kids and tell them that we have to recreate this image using these puzzle pieces. So ask them to observe that reference image, to observe different colors, characters, and what is in the surrounding. Then while looking at the reference image, let them sort the puzzle pieces according to color. This is what I was talking about, visual perception or discrimination. By looking at the puzzle pieces, the kid will actually observe what are the different color, what they see in each puzzle piece, and then they can sort them according to their color or what is represented on that puzzle piece. In the initial stages, I would suggest that you should do it together because this is a new thing for your kid. So you should be with them and tell them how to discriminate the puzzle pieces. You can also assign names to the puzzle pieces according to what you see in that puzzle piece. You can tell them if you see a nose of a character, or you see some bird or trees or sky, you can tell this is a sky puzzle piece, this is a tree puzzle piece. Giving them names will also help in increasing their vocabulary. While you're doing this activity, do appreciate your kids in between so that they have more confidence while solving it. And if you're interested in purchasing a puzzle for your kid, then I've already posted a video in which I've shown many puzzles which Vedansh has. You can have an idea. Its link I'll put here, and it is also in the description box below. Then you can also tell them to sort the puzzle pieces according to where they go, like the edge pieces and the center pieces. Edge pieces have usually a straight edge side and you can sort according to that. Same way, you can also identify the corner pieces in which there will be two straight edges. Now there are two ways of solving a puzzle. First is that you can solve the edges first. You can use all the edge pieces as well as the four corner pieces and solve the four sides of a puzzle. Then you can move inwards and place all the center puzzle pieces, and then finally you will get the solved puzzle. The other method is that you can start from the center and then move outwards. That is, you can identify the characters in the center. Like if there are 2 or 4 characters in a puzzle, then you can start with one character first, use all the pieces or colors similar to that character and solve it first, then move on to second, and then later on you can fill all the gaps. Like in this one, you can see there's a character of Daddy Pig, so Vedansh will solve first the Daddy Pig, place all the Daddy Pig puzzles, then he will move on to Peppa Pig, then Mummy Pig and George. Once all the characters are finished, then he will fill up the remaining gaps with the remaining puzzle pieces. So you can use either of the two techniques, or you can use the combination of both. So puzzle to puzzle, the method you use varies. One more tip: if you find that your kid has taken two pieces correctly but he's not able to attach them, then tell him to rotate that piece. Try all the sides of the pieces, one will definitely go with the other. So that was it. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel and also do hit the notification bell. Do share your ideas in the comment section below and share this video with your friends and relatives. And if you want to watch similar videos on kid-friendly food, parenting and kids activities, their links I'll put here. They are also in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.